Hello and welcome to the mathematics class. This class is for class 9th and in this class we will be discussing the exercises. So today, as I promised, that I will be discussing exercise 1.5, that is about rational and irrational numbers. Now I will be discussing the questions whichever we feel like that they are important for working, we will be solving them on. Now in the first question, if you see, and that is in your books. So first question is rationalize the denominator. Suppose I say a question, let's say 3 upon, let's say a question is 3 upon 4 minus root 7. And the question is rationalize the denominator. So you all know that we will be multiplying by the rationalizing factor or conjugate. What will be the rationalizing factor of the denominator? If it is 4 minus root 7, it will be 4 plus root 7. So we will be multiplying by 4 plus root 7 and 4 plus root 7. Now this finally will become 3 times of 4 plus root 7 upon a minus b, and a plus b is a square, that is 4 square, minus b square, that is root 7 square. That can be written as 3 times of 4 plus root 7 upon 4 square, 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. So 3 times of 4 plus root 7 upon 9, so 3 3s are 9, that is the final value. Means this is how we rationalize the denominator. This was third part of first question, and this is the way how we deal in with all the questions that are given in first question. Then second one is also simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Second question I am taking as second part. And the question reads, simplify the given expression by rationalizing the denominator. So it is 3 minus 2 under root 2 upon 3 plus 2 under root 2. Now again same concept. What are we going to do? We have to rationalize the denominator, and the denominator is in the form of 3 plus 2 root 3, sorry 2 root 2. So it will be, its conjugate will be 3 minus 2 root 2, and that will be multiplied to both numerator and denominator. So that is 3 minus 2 root 2 in the numerator and 3 minus 2 root 2 in the denominator. Now this and this 3 minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 can be written as 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. So I am simply writing in the numerator 3 minus 2 under root 2 whole square upon a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So I am directly writing 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. So that will be 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square upon 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So simply 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square upon 1 or nothing is the answer. Like that we can say. If you want, you can express it in a minus b whole square, a square, 3 square is 9 plus 8 minus 3 to 12 root 2. That's but this is okay. This is now similarly third, fourth I will be doing. Now the main thing is question number 2, 3 and all that we have discussed. Now we will be discussing question number 5, and in 5 there are 3 parts. I will be taking up the second part, that is important, and that is a bit more calculative or a bit more lengthy. Now fifth question, second part is root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a minus b root 6. Find the value of a and b. So how are we going to proceed? Always remember, whenever the denominator is in the form of irrational number, you have to multiply with the conjugate or by rationalizing factor. Means rationalizing factor of this will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So very first step that comes into, that is root 2 plus under root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into this will be 3 root 2 plus 2 under root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 under root 3. Now, when you multiply, suppose we are multiplying this root 2 plus root 3 to this, it means multiplication, addition is distributive over multiplication. So root 2 into 3 root 2. So 3 into 2, because root 2 into root 2 is 2. Now root 2 into this means 2 under root 6 first, then 2 root 3 into root 2 is root 6, so 2 root 6. Now root 3 into this will be plus 3 root 6, 3 to the 6 and 3, then plus 2 and root 3 is 3, so that is 3 to the 6 upon a plus b, a minus b, a square, that is 3 root 2 whole square, a square minus b square, that is 2 root 3 whole square. Now when you solve that, 6 and 6 is 12 plus 2 and 3 is 5 root 6 upon 9 to the 18. This is 3 square is 9, root 2 square is 2. So 9 to the 18, 2 to the 4, 3 is 12, minus 12. That gives you 12 plus 5 under root 6 upon 18 minus 12 is 6. It means this finally a was equal to a minus b root 6. Now I am writing it here. It means if you separate it, it can be written as 12 upon 6 plus 5 under root 6 upon 6 is equal to a minus b under root 6. When you compare, so this value will be equal to a and this value will be equal to, we'll compare. So a will become 12 upon 6, or simply you can say as 2. When you compare minus b under root 6 with 5 upon 6 under root 6, this 6 root 6 and root 6 cancel. This b will become, minus goes to that side, minus 5 upon 6. So we can say a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 5 upon 6. That is the final value of a and b. This is how we need to solve. The basic thing is we simply solve it by the conjugate and everything. But when we are able to write the expression in this form, then we need to compare these two values, and by comparing we'll get the value of a and b. Now I am taking question number 9. Question number 9 contains question number 8 also, and this gives you an idea how to solve the rest of the questions. So for this exercise 1.5, this will be my last question. And in case you have any doubt, you can just write question number exercise in the comment box. I'll solve it for you. Anyway, now it is given that x is equal to 1 minus root 2. You have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x to the power 4. Now if x is equal to this, so 1 upon x will be 1 upon 1 minus under root 2. If it is 1 minus under root 2, it means it is in the form of, means you have to rationalize the denominator. What are you going to do? You will simply multiply 1 plus root 2 in the numerator and 1 plus root 2 in the denominator. That will be 1 plus root 2 upon a square, that is 1 square, minus root 2 square is 2. So it becomes 1 plus under root 2 upon minus 1. This is the value of 1 upon x. We need to find x minus 1 upon x. So x minus 1 upon x can be written as 1 minus root 2 was your x, and minus 1 plus root 2 upon minus 1. this minus 1 and this minus 1 will cancel each other. It can be written as 1 minus root 2 plus 1 plus root 2 upon 1. Upon 1 either you write or you don't write. Minus 2 and plus 2 cancelled, minus root 2 and plus root 2 cancelled off. You got final value as 2. Now you need x minus 1 upon x to the power 4. It means 2 to the power 4. That is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 is the final value. Now this completes the solution of exercise 1.5. There are up to 12 questions, and if you have understood all these questions, I am sure that you are able to solve any of the questions that are given in your exercise. Now I will be discussing exercise 3.1 that was there in your exponents. Okay, in this exercise, that is your expansion, about expansion. Exercise 3.1 we are discussing today. In this exercise, from question number 1 to 9, we have to use simply identities and we have to expand the given expansion. This is for what it is given, so that the child may be able to memorize the formulae that are given in the initial stage of the chapter. So I hope that by the time you all would have learnt the given formulae. So there are questions from question 1 to 9. From question number 1 to 9, it is based on memorizing the formula and expansion. So we are dealing in from 1 to 9, we will be discussing 3 questions, 3rd, 6th and 9th. All these questions second parts. So question number 3rd, second part, 1 upon 2x minus 3 upon 2y whole square. You know that a minus b whole square. I am writing it over here. You know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is the expansion. So this is, we are going to just simply use it. Means a square, that is x upon 2 square, plus 3y upon 2 whole square minus 2. A is x upon 2 and b is 3 upon 2y. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now when we will solve it out, you will get it as x square. You will get it as x square upon 4 plus 9y square upon 4. This 2 and 2 cancelled. So 3xy minus 3xy upon 2. Now we will be taking, that is the final value. Now question number 6, second part I will be considering. That is 2x upon 3. 2x upon 3 minus 3 upon 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square. Now this is also an identity or a formula that has been discussed. You know that a minus b minus c whole square. I am writing it here. It is a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the identity that we have already discussed. So a minus b minus c whole square is a square. So I am writing it as 2x plus 3 a square plus b square 3 upon 2x whole square. A square plus b square plus c square. Then plus 2 times of, now ab, a is 2x upon 3 into b is minus 3 upon 2x. ab, then plus bc, bc is minus 3 upon 2x into minus 1, that is bc, and plus ca, c is minus 1 into 2x upon 3. 2x upon 3. Now you have to simply solve it out. Just come a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus CA. Now this is all quite easy. 2 square is 4x square upon 9 plus 9 upon 4x square plus 1. A square, B square, C square plus 2 times of. Now when you consider this and this will cancel, minus 3 and 3 will cancel, you will get minus 1. This and this cancelled, you got minus 1. So minus 1, then plus 3, minus and minus will be plus, so 3 upon 2x, and this is plus into minus, that will be minus 2x upon 3. Now if you want, you can solve it out. So this is 4x square upon 9 plus 9 upon 4x square plus 1 plus 2 times of, this can be written as minus 1 plus 3 upon 2x minus 2x upon 3. If you want, you can, let's take LCM. LCM will be 6x. So this will be minus 6x and 3 plus 9. 3 2 is a 9, 3 2 is a 2x minus 4x square and into 2 plus 1 plus 9 upon 4x square plus 4x square upon 9. Now you have to just keep on calculating. If you don't want, this can be considered as the final value. Even this can be considered as the final value, or if you want, you have to just completely solve it. This 2 will divide by 3, 2 3 is 6, and so on. Now you can solve it, or this is the final value. Calculation part I am leaving it on to you. Now I hope then we'll be taking the next question is question number 9, second part. Now question number 9, second part I have taken, that is 2x minus 1 upon 3y whole cube. It is again based on a minus b whole cube that you have studied. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab and a minus b. This is the formula you have studied. So we will be solving it like that. So a cube minus b cube minus 3 times of a, b, and in bracket a minus b. Now when you solve it out, it will go to the 8x cube minus 1 upon 27y cube, and this 3 and 3 will get cancelled, minus 2x upon y into 2x minus 1 upon 3y. If you can want, that is the final value, or if you want, you can multiply or open this bracket. But since we have to, this is a part of factorization, so it's easy to keep it as simple as it can be. So this is the final value. Now in next part, that is question number 10 to 19, there are again 2 parts. So we will be doing 12th, meaning the multiples of 3. We will be doing 12th, 15th and 18th. So I am taking 12th question, second part. Simplify the following. Question number 12, second part. And that question is 4 plus 3y, 4x plus 3y whole square minus 4x minus 3y whole square plus minus 48xy. Now you can see a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. And if you remember, a plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. And a minus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. In between there is a minus sign. If you will subtract these two, this will become minus, minus and plus. So final value will be 4ab. It means this total, this total value of this expression comes out as 4a. A is 4x and b is 3y. You can simply write this because you know how it came. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4 times of ab. So that is 4ab because a 4x, 4x. B is 3y, 3y. And then you can write minus 48xy. So 4, 4 is 16, 3 is 48. It became 48xy and minus 48xy. Final value is, this and this cancelled, 0. That is the final value. I hope this is understood. Now we move on to question number 15, second part. Now question number 15, second part. It is 5 minus 2x, 5 plus 2x into 25 minus 4x squared. If you look at these two terms, a minus b, a plus b. We know that a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square, or simply we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. The question, this part, this term is given in this form. So we can simply write it as a square minus b square. A square, that is 5 square, minus 2x square. This is the way we can write, and we'll write the other term as 25 plus 4x square. Now when you look at this, this can be written as 25 minus 4x square, and this can be written as 25 plus 4x square. Now you look a minus b, a plus b, again the application of the same formula. So this can be written as 25, that is a square minus 4x square whole square. Now 25 into 25 is what? I hope 625. 625 minus 4, 4 is 16, x square square is x to the power 4. That is the final value. Now we will be discussing question number 18th, second part. So question number 18, I am writing it on the other side. That is question number 18th, second part. Now 18th, second part, it reads x minus 3 upon x minus 3 upon x into x square plus 3, x square plus 3 plus 9 upon x square. Now when you look at this question, if you look at this question, this can be written as x plus 3 wholes, x plus 3 upon x whole square. How? I am concentrating on this. This can be written as x square. This can be written as 3 upon x whole square plus b square. The other term would have been plus 2ab. So I am writing it here, 2a and b. This is your 2ab term. Now 2ab means this and this cancelled, this and this cancelled. It will be coming as 3 2s are 6. Now you are getting over as 3 2s are 6. Means if at this point you would have been getting 6, then this would have been written as x plus 3 upon x whole square. But we are not getting 6, we are getting 3. It means this square part is not going to work out. So what is left? If you remember, we have discussed a formula, that is a cube minus b cube is equal to, I am writing it this side, I am rubbing out this. It is x minus 3 upon x into x square plus 3 plus 9 upon x square. You have to find its value. Now we remember that a cube minus b cube was what? You know that a cube minus b cube was a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. If you consider this, a square plus, compare, this can be written as 3 upon x whole square plus b square. Now the third term would have been what? AB. AB means I am writing it, a was x and b was 3 upon x. It means this x and x cancel, here it should be 3 and here you know that it is 3. It means by comparing this formula and the given expression, we find that if it is a, if this is b, so this is a square plus b square plus ab. It means this can simply be written as x cube minus 3 upon x cube. So it means it is x cube minus 27 upon x cube. That is the final value. This is, we need to remember or memorize the formula by looking at the expression. We need to judge, yes, this application, this formula is being applied to this, or means this is the way. So we have done up to question number 18. Now from 19 to 31. So we'll be discussing rest of the questions in the next video. I expect every child to practice all the questions of exercise 1.5 and exercise 3.1, and in case still if you have any doubt in any question, now you can specifically write question number and exercise. That is up to you. Stay home, stay blessed. Thank you and keep studying. Please subscribe also.